So it's me again. In conclusion with the self-management, what I want you to be really thinking about is that it is a daily process. It's not something that you can fill out all of the stuff at the beginning of the semester and then it's just done. Everything's magically there. No, you've really got to work on figuring out exactly what what works for you, because it is different for everybody. And some people need a mix of things. I encourage you to try to narrow it down as much as possible to one thing that works for you, but try out a variety of systems. I know that there are a million planners out there, and there are a variety of formats and that kind of thing, and so some of them work for some people, some of them work for other people. Don't ever underestimate the power of a Post-it note or a to-do list or anything like that. You can do some scheduled planning, something like this, that you have your daily to-do list. So what am I going to get done? It is Monday. What have I got to do today? You can do the weekend, this month, eventually, whatever you like with this. Anything like that. What I have ended up doing, because I like to have some flexibility in my approach, is I do bullet journaling. So I create my own every week. And so what I do is I've got all of my appointments on here. I do my to-do list for each day based on when I'm going to have time to get things done. I mark things off, so I check them off if I get them done. If something gets canceled, I might put a line through it. If I didn't get it done, I circle it so it's there for the next week. So you see this one right here? Yeah, I didn't get that done, so I had to do it the next time I was in the office. So just having something like that. But I also do rely very heavily on my Google Calendar. And since we are a Google campus, it makes sense to go ahead and use something like that, because you will probably be getting meeting invitations and that sort of thing, and you can sync things up with AppSync. You can sync it up on your phone. But anyway, just remember that it is a very personal problem. So it's going to be not a personal problem, but it needs to be a very personalized solution. So not one size fits all. Just like with studying and reading and how people read, and do you like noise whenever you're studying, and do you like quiet when you're studying? It's the same thing with time management. You have to find the strategies that are going to work for you, and then you got to follow through with that. So just keep those in mind. I want you to try a variety of things, figure out what works for you, really work on tweaking your system, and then put it into place. Okay, so from here, you've already got a weekly grid, which is your plan of attack for the week. You hopefully maybe have your Google Calendar set up. I would encourage you to go ahead and put in all of your due dates that you know about right now, so that you don't have any surprises coming up, those busy weeks that happen whenever all of us professors, we all get together and we decide, okay, so this is the week that we're going to torture our students all at once. Haha. Joking, but it feels like that, I know. And so just make sure that you are getting in all of that information, and as things come up, you are consistently going through and adding that. Now, it only helps if you check it. So you need to make sure that you are also keeping a check on what's coming up. So always be looking ahead a week or so in advance, so you're making sure that you're not getting any of those surprises happening, and then you can make a plan of attack and have a better chance of being successful. So let me know if you have any questions. This is also a time that I like to highlight that we do offer one-on-one consultations. So if you want to come in and meet with me, just let me know, and I'll give you the link to sign up for a consult, and then you can sit down and meet with me, and we can kind of help you make a plan and figure out some strategies that would work for you specifically. So that's always available to you. Even though you're taking a class with me, this is also another option. But with that said, good luck and happy planning.